Welcome 9th standard to the GK class. As you have seen in the screen, the topic of today is Institute of Repute given on page 7 of your book. The objective of this topic is to discuss the well-known institutes of India, to discuss esteemed institutes of India in the field of science, defense and fashion technology, and to discuss the contributions of well-known institutes to India. Now we will do the new words of this topic. Skilled workforce, highly trained, educated or experienced segments of population that can complete more complex mental or physical tasks on the job. Demonstrate, to show. Acclaimed, to express a very high opinion of something or somebody. Autonomous, independent. Cadet, a young person who is training to be in the army, navy, air force or police. Premier, leading. And the last term is pre-commissioning training, training given to the cadets of armed forces before his appointment on the office. On your screen you are seeing Indian Institute of Technology, Delhi. IIT are governed by the Institutes of Technology Act 1961. There are total 23 IITs in India and they are under the Human Resource Development Minister of India. Next on your screen is the picture of AIIMS Delhi. AIIMS are a group of autonomous government public medical colleges for higher education and it was set up in 1956 and there are more 22 AIIMS centers which are linked with AIIMS Delhi. By 2025 it would raise up to 30. The Indian Institute of Sciences was set up in 1909 by J.N. Tata and it is located in Bangalore with present chairman as Mr. Anurag Kumar acting as its present chairman and director as well. Next is National Institute of Design. It is located in Ahmedabad, Gandhinagar, Bengaluru and Jorhat. Its chairman is Mr. Anand Mahindra and its present director is Mr. Praveen Nahara. It is working under the Ministry of Commerce and Textile in India and it is working in the field of research in textile industry in India and it is an autonomous unit of India. Next is National Defence Academy, NDA. It is a joint service academy of the Indian Armed Forces where cadets of 3 wings, the Army, the Navy and the Air Force are trained together. It was set up on 7 December 1954. NDA is located in Khatka Walsa, Pune, Maharashtra. It is the first tri-service academy of the world and its logo you have seen on the screen also is service before self or Seva Parmo Dharma and it is the best academy of military in the world. The next institute is National Institute of Fashion Technology or NIFT. The NIFT is a prestigious institute of fashion technology. It was set up in 1986. It works under the Ministry of Textile in India. NIFT has total 16 campuses nationwide and Ritu Bedi and Manish Malhotra, the leading fashion designers, were also the product of this famous institute called NIFT. I hope you have understood the contribution of these institutions to India. To get more information, you are advised to go through internet for this.